Are you sick of wasting hundreds of dollars on products that just work for one thing or just don't work at all? Look no further. Flitz has you covered with the all-in-one specially formulated paste polish. Quickly and easily remove tarnish, rust, water stains, heat discoloration, powder residue, oxidation, graffiti, and so much more. Works on finishes such as chrome, stainless steel, aluminum, gold, silver, sterling silver, painted surfaces, fiberglass, plexiglass, hot glide bluing, formica, granite, and more. Simply apply the eco-friendly paste onto your area and buff off. It's just that simple to bring your finishes back to new. Just check out these results. Remember, when it comes time to cleaning, polishing, and protecting, there's only one product that you need: Flitz.